Zart, Biggie, you brought me a Poopsie cutie tootie surprise. It's so beautiful. I think I know why he brought this. He wants us to cut it open. Silly elves. Okay, so look, you snip it or pop it, you squeeze the slime out, and you find a surprise. So, see, it says that there's 25 cutie tooties to collect and 30 different slimes. Okay, so I wonder if we'll get crunch slime, bouncy, water, marshmallow, or putty slime. And so here is all the characters. Ooh, I love that one, Rain. That one's beautiful. Oh, that's the one I want. Yellow, what does that mean? Oh, super ultra rare. Well, that's the one I want, but all of them look so cute. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see. Should we cut it open? No, it's too cute. Let's do the thing where you open it down here. What? Okay. Let's do a little snippy. Whoa! Jeez. Ooh. I wonder what kind of slime this is. Whoa, it feels like liquidy almost. I wonder what, ooh. Oh my. Okay. Let's see here. Ooh. I wonder what kind of slime this is. Putty slime, maybe? Let's get it all out. Wait. Oh. Whoa. Oh, man. Look at all this slime. There's so much of it. Ooh, it's so beautiful and sparkly. Ooh, I love it so much. Comment down below if this is in fact putty slime. I'm not a slime expert, so I need to rely on you, the Spirella family. Okay, let's see. Oh, she's looking like a mermaid. What she looks like in the front. Oh boy, she's so hard to get out. Oh my. I think it's because my hands are so slimy. Oh my. Comment down below if you already know the name of this one. Oh my. She's absolutely gorgeous. Look at those eyelashes. They're stunning in that beautiful, beautiful crown. Okay, let's see which one she is. Okay. There she is. Her name's Fins. So she is a regular one. For being so regular, she's so stunning. Well, there you go, Biggie. If you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.